Have you ever winced just by watching someone stub their toe? Or felt tears prickling at your eyes when a stranger cries? If so, you might think of yourself as an overly sensitive softie. But what you're feeling is not weakness. It's neuroscience. You physically feel other people's emotions thanks to something called mirror neurons. These special brain cells fire not only when you perform an action, but also when you see someone else do it. In other words, your brain is simulating their experience as if it's your own. And scientists believe that these neurons are key to understanding what makes us us. So here's how they work, why they matter, and what they mean for you. All neurons are remarkable, transmitting information throughout your body with electrical signals. But mirror neurons are special because they activate both when you perform an action and when you observe someone else performing that same action. In other words, when you see another person's hand reach out to grab a cup, the same neurons in your brain that would activate if you were reaching out for the cup yourself also activate simply because you're re-observing that action. This discovery was made in the 1990s by researchers studying monkeys, specifically they noticed some strange activity in the monkeys' brains while they were eating. When the monkey reached out to grab a peanut, a specific region of their premotor cortex lit up. This area of the brain is responsible for planning and coordinating movements. But what the researchers noticed was that this same region also activated when the monkey just watched another monkey grab a peanut. At first, they thought there must be something wrong with their equipment. But then they realized there was something even more intriguing going on. It was the same thing when the monkey observed another monkey getting a banana or a human researcher handing them a treat. The monkey's premotor cortex was activating, as if it were grabbing the food itself. And this observation led to the discovery of mirror neurons. Since then, scientists have learned that these special brain cells are not limited to the premotor cortex, but are distributed throughout the brain. Researchers believe that mirror neurons are located not only in the frontal lobe, but also in the parietal lobe and the inferior temporal lobe. And instead of just observing actions, they may also process speech and other symbolic communication. But exactly how and why they do this is still unknown. Some theories suggest that mirror neurons become active not only when you see an action, but also when you hear about it or even think about it. For example, seeing a sad face, hearing a sad story, or thinking about your own sadness could trigger the same mirror neuron response. And it doesn't stop at actions. Mirror neurons may also be involved in our ability to understand other people's emotions. When you see someone smiling, your own smile-related mirror neurons may activate. And when you hear someone's laughter, neurons associated with auditory processing and emotion may fire. And humans aren't the only animals with mirror neurons. Preliminary evidence suggests that apes, including chimpanzees and bonobos, also have these special brain cells. And based on functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI studies, it appears that they're active in these primates when they observe others experiencing rewards or punishments. Overall, scientists believe that mirror neurons play a critical role in many aspects of human behavior, including empathy, learning, and social bonding. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, and mirror neurons may be key to this ability. By simulating the experiences of others in our own brains, we can understand their perspectives and respond accordingly. This is why you might feel tears welling up when you watch a sad movie, or feel like laughing when a comedian makes a joke. Your mirror neurons are helping you experience those emotions as if they were your own. Learning is another area where mirror neurons appear to play a crucial role. By observing others, we can learn new skills and behaviors without having to try them ourselves. For example, when you see someone riding a bike, your mirror neurons may help you understand the movements involved in balancing and steering. This allows you to learn the skill quickly, even though you're not physically practicing it. Social bonding is also thought to be facilitated by mirror neurons. By sharing experiences with others and feeling what they feel, we can form strong bonds and connections. This is why you might feel closer to someone after sharing a funny story or a sad memory. Mirror neurons may help you understand and connect with the other person on a deeper level, creating a stronger bond between you. One way that mirror neurons contribute to social bonding is through something called the mirror neuron system. This system refers to the network of brain regions that are involved in the simulation of others' actions and emotions. The MNS is thought to be important for understanding other people's intentions and perspectives, which can help us build empathy and compassion. In fact, some research has shown that people with autism spectrum disorder, who often struggle with social interactions and empathy, may have differences in their MNS. Another condition that affects the mirror neuron system is this is a neurological phenomenon in which stimulation of one sense, such as hearing music, results in automatic experiences in another sense, such as seeing colors. Some people with synesthesia report seeing colors when they hear certain sounds, and this ability is thought to be linked to the connectivity between the auditory and visual areas of the brain. Overall, the mirror neuron system is a complex and fascinating part of our brains that allows us to understand and interact with the world around us in unique ways. As research continues to uncover more about the MNS, we may learn even more about ourselves and the incredible abilities of the human brain. There's still a lot that scientists don't understand about mirror neurons, but it is clear that they play a critical role in our ability to interact with other people and understand their emotions. So the next time you feel something from a movie scene, a stranger story, or even a viral video, know that it's not all in your head. It's literally in your neurons.